We got Asana today, about to break the $14 range. Great movement this week, up about 11%. We're going to go over the quarter three financial results. Not much movement after earnings, but there are some huge improvements coming in. This quarter was all about steady, profitable growth and positioning the company as an AI agent platform. They have AI Studio and AI Teammates at the center of their business. Let's go ahead and pull up the financials just to see the quick highlights. So quarter three, top line revenue, 201 million, 9% year-over-year growth. This was above the high end of guidance. Next up, we have earnings per share, which also beat guidance, but when you take a look at the numbers, they posted negative 29 cents for earnings per share. That is down 16% year over year. Profit margins are still staying at the high 80s, currently at 88%. They've been hovering around 89% for the past couple quarters. Huge improvements are going to be coming in from the statement of cash flows. So if you go down and check out cash flow from operations and also free cash flow per share, posting 16.2 million from cash flow from operations, that is up 200% year over year, guys. Asana is currently sitting on 4 consecutive quarters now. 4 consecutive quarters of positive free cash flow growth. And when you take a look at free cash flow per share, they posted 0.06. That is up 175% year over year. Compared to last year, they were posting negative 0.08 on free cash flow per share. 0.06, guys. Again, 4 consecutive quarters of free cash flow growth in the triple digits for the whole year of 2025. Up 162%, up 200%, up 150%. 4 consecutive quarters of triple digit free cash flow per share growth, while the stock has really done nothing. So huge improvements in cash flow for the past year, but when you view the stock price, it's pretty much been flat. It was high back in December of 2024. It hit a high of 27, down about half. While we're getting year over year triple digit growth on cash flow, you guys need to keep an eye on this stock. It should move soon. It should move soon. We'll go down to the core customers down here. So I have core customers spending 5,000 or more, and then we also have customers spending 100,000 or more. For the latest quarter, customers spending 5K or more, they now have 25,413. That is up 10% year over year, while the bigger cohort, 785, is up about 15% year over year. So customers are growing slowly. So according to some numbers, the net retention overall is 96%, which is good. A lot of customers are renewing this product. So what exactly is going on with this company? Well, it just broke 14, by the way. So if you live under a rock, what does Asana do? Well, they're sort of pitching themselves as the core platform for AI agents. So this AI Studio is one of the main products they have. Think of it as a workflow engine. Basically, customers insert AI nodes directly into the Asana workflows. Basically, it leverages Asana's work graph. Think of Asana as a company that has proprietary data. They provide the rails for their AIs, less hallucinations, more direct answers. These AI agents are going to be able to perform tasks faster than humans. They also have AI teammates. So basically, these are pre-built AI agents. Everything from marketing, IT, engineering, operations. And all these AI agents act as collaborative team members. They show their work, and they operate under your permissions, so you get to set the rules and boundaries. We'll go into more detail about the program itself in another video, but going back to the financials real quick, when you go to the income statement, take a look at research and development. Research and development, sales and marketing is starting to shrink as a percentage of revenue, and they're doing that to be able to keep expanding their margins over multiple years. And eventually, when research and development and sales and marketing go down, it will start to improve that bottom line, net income. Another thing that will help earnings per share is also the buybacks that they're doing. This quarter, they spent $30.8 million to buy back 2.2 million shares at an average price of $14. So the company itself is buying back shares, guys. This company is undervalued, and they currently still have 97.5 million in repurchases that they are allowed to do. So as of right now, quarter three posted a solid profitable quarter. Remember, they are positioning themselves as an AI agent enterprise, not just another project management app. And so Asana still sitting at $3 billion. This is a small company, guys, but I think they're going to disrupt things. I think into next year, guys, not financial advice, but we should start seeing the price of this stock aggressively start moving up. Remember, they are sitting on 4 consecutive quarters of triple digit year over year growth on their cash flows. Not a lot of people have looked into this stock yet, but I'm telling you, keep this on your watch list. For the past 5 years, the stock has done nothing, has stayed flat. I think that's going to change soon. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Just a quick update on Asana's quarter three, and we'll see you in the next one.